Hello friends, today we will discuss about the microwaves. What are microwaves? Microwaves are the electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are those waves with consisting an electric and magnetic field both. Microwave are the electromagnetic wave having wavelength ranging from 1 centimeter to 10 centimeter or frequency ranging from 1 gigahertz to 1000 gigahertz. Microwave includes the entire SHF band, super high frequency band, which is 3 to 30 gigahertz. Microwave have numerous applications. First, communication. Microwave is used for broadcasting and telecommunication transmission due to their short wavelength. High direction antennas are smaller. Mobile networks like GSM, global system of mobile communication, used for lower microwaves or ultra high frequencies around 1.8 and 1.9 gigahertz. Microwave are used in television signal to transmit a signal from remote location to television station from a special equipped van. Microwave are used as a communication for one point to another point via satellite. Here we have a table of various frequency band of electromagnetic waves. We have three columns. First column represents the frequency band. Second column represents the frequency range. Third column represents the uses of electromagnetic frequency ranges. First is very low frequency, which is ranging from 3 to 30 kHz, used for long distance communication. Second is low frequency band, which ranges from 30 to 3000 kHz, used for marine communications. Medium frequency band ranging from 300 kHz to 3000 kHz, used for radio broadcasting. High frequency band ranging from 3 to 30 MHz, which is used for long distance communication. Very high frequency band, which is range from 30 to 300 MHz. In this band we use the FM radio television broadcasting. These are the main uses of very high frequency band. Ultra high frequency band range from 300 MHz to 3000 MHz, used for short distance communication. And super high frequency band range from 3 to 30 GHz, used in satellite and space communication. And extra high frequency band range from 30 to 300 GHz, used in radars, space communication, and our distance and navigation systems. Now we'll see the properties of microwaves. First property is microwave is an electromagnetic radiation of short wavelength. They can reflect by conducting surface just like optical waves, since they travel a straight line. Third property is microwave current flow through a thin outer layer of the ordinary cable. Fourth property is microwaves are easily attenuated with the short distances. Fifth property is they are not reflected by ionosphere. And the advantages of microwaves are: first is larger bandwidth. The bandwidth of the microwave is larger than the lower frequency signals. So due to this large bandwidth, more information can be transmitted using the microwaves. Second property is better dielectric property. At microwave frequency, it is easier to design and fabricate the high energy antennas as compared to low frequency signal. The beam width, which is given by phi, is equal to lambda over d, and which is equal to c over f into d, where phi is the beam width, lambda is wavelength, d is the directivity, c is the velocity of light. As you saw by this equation, as the frequency increased, directivity is also increased, but the bandwidth beam width gets decreased or reduced. Microwave has various advantages. We will discuss few of them. First is less power requirement. The power required by the microwave is very less as compared to the lower frequency signals. Second is fading effect. At the lower frequencies, the various layers around the earth sometimes cause the fading of receiving signal. However, the microwave frequency, by using the line of sight propagation technique, this amount can be reduced. Line of sight means the microwave traveling from source to receiver in a straight pathway or direct pathway. The second application is in remote sensing techniques. The most important application of remote sensing is radar, ranging and detection object, that uses a transmitter to illuminate an object and a receiver to detect its position and velocity. Another class of remote sensing is radio astronomy. It is a subclass of astronomy that studies celestial objects at radio frequencies. The third application, as we all know, in microwave oven. It is a heating application. For use for baking, the heating property of microwave are used for baking, cooking using microwave oven. In microwave oven, the food is heated directly by microwave radiation without heating the container. The cooking time is very small as compared to conventional heating. For concentrating, microwave permits concentration of heat sensitive solution and slurries at relatively low temperature. Also applicable to highly corrosive or viscous solutions. For drying, microwave are used for drying the solids. Drying is uniform throughout the product. The moisture present in the product is evaporated out. For enzyme inactivation, this can be achieved by rapid and uniform heating, which can be controlled and terminate enzyme reactions. For pre-cooking, microwaves are ideal for pre-cooking the food item because there is no overheating. The nutrients in the food are not lost. Now we will see the classification of microwaves on the basis of frequency bands. First is L band. It is a 20 cm radar long band ranging from 0.3 to 1.5 GHz in microwave spectrum. Second is S band, which is 10 cm band ranging from 1.5 to 5.2 GHz, used for weather satellites and some other communication satellites. Third is C band. C is compromised band used in various communication satellites, which is range from 4 to 6 GHz. Fourth band is X band. The X band in the range of 5.2 to 10.9 GHz. It is also known as 3 cm radar spot band. 5 is Ku band. The Ku band या Kurz underband, it is a portion of electromagnetic wave ranging from 11 to 18 GHz. It is primarily used in satellite communication. Sixth is K band. It is a portion of electromagnetic wave ranging between 12 to 14 GHz. The K band come from Kurz band, which is lie between 18 to 26.5 GHz, which is absorbed easily in water vapors. Ka band. The Ka band या Kurz above band is a portion of K band which lie between 18 to 40 GHz. Now we can tabulate all these bands in two columns. First column represents the later designation. Second column represents the frequency range. L band lie from 1 to 2 GHz, S band 2 to 4 GHz, C band 4 to 8 GHz, X band 8 to 12 GHz, Ku band 12 to 18 GHz, K band 18 to 26.5 GHz, Ka band 26.5 GHz to 40 GHz, millimeter या mm 40 to 300 GHz, sub-millimeter 300 to above GHz range. These are the frequency ranges of microwaves.